Hello everyone, welcome to Ines Creation Limited, where we bring your ideas to life. In today's video, I am going to design a sleek and professional ID card for your technology company. Whether you are a designer looking for inspiration or simply curious about the process, you are in the right place. I will walk you through the step-by-step process for creating a design that both functional and visually appealing. By the end of this video, you will learn how to craft an ID card that stands out and leaves a lasting impression. Let's dive into it, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. After you create a page for an ID card design, let's give a color on the page. Let's take this black color and then go to the element and search for a hexagon shape. Let's take this hexagon shape, keep the color and copy it and change the color of the behind shape. Now adjust this both shape together. Now copy this shape and again copy another shape and adjust the one shape behind on the half page. And for the first shape, go to the edit and round the corner, and now go to the element and search for a hexagon frame. Make the corner round of the frame. Now go to the element and search for a picture for the frame. Take this picture. Take this picture and adjust it. And go to the border, give it a border in gradient shade and keep the border weight in 2. Paste the shape, copy the first shape and change the behind shape color in gray. And now take a text box and type the name. Make it uppercase. Take another text box and type the designation. Now from the element, take this line and adjust it under sales manager. Now copy the text. Paste the text and now go to the element and search for AM logo. Take this logo and now take a text box and type the company name. Take a text box, change the color and type the slogan. Go to the element and search a barcode. Take this barcode, adjust it on the bottom corner of the page. Now select the shape and paste the shape for the back page. Again copy the shape and adjust it one behind and one in front. Again paste the shapes and adjust it both of the shape on the bottom like this. Paste the dummy text, change the color in white, change the bullet color in blue. Take a text box and type terms and condition. Reduce the font size and keep it on middle. And now take a line and change the color in blue. Take a text box, type yours sincerely. Take a line and paste the name and change the font in handwriting font so that it look like a signature. Now paste the logo and the company name on the shape, and now paste the company address under this. Take a line and adjust it under the logo and the name. Here it is, a ID card design for a marketing company. If you need this kind of design or any other custom design you have, like a flyer design, brochure design, menu card or others kind of designs, you can contact with us. Our contact details in attached in your description box. Thank you for watching. Stay with INS Creation Limited.